Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn how to access to binding parameters from form request. As you can see here in our endpoint or our simple method, I say create order for single product, right? And here in my root I have this product which refers to product model, as we can see here. And for some reasons we may use prepare for validation method, which prepares the data for validation before accessing to rules method. And you may say explode the path, which is, as you can see here, this path method, right? And it will return API / the product ID, and you will say explode, then find or fail product. But instead of all this garbage, we can say directly here product, or this, which is a request product, refers to the parameter here. So if I go back and I say dd product and send request, as we can see, it returns the model. What if, for example, the product doesn't exist, something like this? It will return 404 directly, because as we know, the request life cycle in Laravel starts with roots if it exists or not. Otherwise, it will handle everything for us. So this is quickly how to access to binding model parameter in Laravel. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next videos.